What if I tell you that you can actually make money by watching just YouTube videos? I know this sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it is really true. Imagine being paid to do what you already love to do. And what is that? Binging videos. Yes, you can get paid by just watching YouTube videos. Let's be real, as people trying to secure that bag, we're always looking for ways to make extra money. Whether it's making money by the side, hustling, or passive income, we actually know how to get this done. So today I'm about to put you on a method that is not just easy, but actually fun. You know, not long ago, I was just like you, scrolling through YouTube, looking for different ways that I could make money online. Then I came across people saying you could make money by watching videos. And I thought, no way. But then I decided to give it a go. I mean, there's no harm in giving things a go. And guess what? It is really true. And let me tell you, it actually worked. Although my first payment wasn't huge, but it worked. A few dollars here and there. But over time, as I kept watching videos, the money kept rolling in. And I noticed that it was getting better as I watched those videos. And the best part of this is that I wasn't doing anything different from what I already do. Okay, let's break it down so that you can start this today. There are a few platforms out there that actually pay you to watch YouTube videos. My favorite sites are Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. This site partner with advertisers that want people to engage with their content, and they pay you for your time. We all know that time is money. When you use your time to watch these videos, they're going to pay you. Now guys, here is how it works. The very first step is you're gonna sign up to the platform. You watch sponsored videos and you earn points. Now these points that you earn can be cashed out through PayPal or gift cards, or even straight up money into your bank account. It's simple, easy, and something that you can do while multitasking. Let me keep this real for you. This isn't a get rich quick format, because like we know, this is a side hustle. You're not gonna become super rich overnight, but trust me, this does add up as extra cash that goes into your pocket. And you know that in this economy we are in, every little bit counts, right? Plus, this is a kind of side hustle that you don't have to add $1 of your own money. So it is zero investment. At the end, you're gonna earn money by doing this. This is free. The only thing you would have to invest would be your time. So if you're already watching YouTube videos, why don't you get paid for that? Alright guys, let's walk through this together. I'm going to walk you through how to sign up on Swagbucks and start making money straight away. Now the very first step is go to Swagbucks and you sign up. This is absolutely free of charge. As you can see, you just go to the platform and you just click on I agree to the terms of use and to receive marketing email messages from Swagbucks, and I accept the privacy policy. Check on that. Now you can continue with Google, you can continue with Apple, or you continue with your email address. So I'm gonna continue with email here, and then it's asking you to add your email address, add a password, and then confirm your password. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my email address. Now they're gonna send you an email. Go back to your email address that you've used to confirm the email. Now you log back in, you sign in to the platform, and you click on where it says watched. So when you click on that, the videos they have on the platform that they want you to watch will be shown to you. Now you start watching the videos and start accumulating points. Now these points, you can redeem them via your PayPal account, or you can get them via gift card, or they can send it directly into your bank account. These are the ways you can cash out on the platform. Now remember, they have a minimum threshold that you can reach, and then you will be eligible to cash out your money. This is pretty easy, right? You do not need to make any video. All you need is for you to watch and you earn. And you do not need to have any skills whatsoever for you to be able to do this. So, are you ready to turn those YouTube watch hours into money? Actually, no, I was when I started this, and I haven't looked back since. If you want to get started, I've dropped the links of all the platforms that I mentioned in the description below this video. So sign up and start earning today. And if this video has helped you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to watch the next video up there. Subscribe, comment, like, and save. If you have any comment whatsoever, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.